We haven't done many product reviews on this channel, but because security and safety are always top of mind for us here at 3 Feet Deep, when Ideal Security sent us their cable alarm and lock system, we thought we'd have to give it a try. Now, they were good enough to send it to us unsolicited, free of charge. Now, when we do product reviews on this channel, we're going to include both pros and cons of all the products. Now, there were lots of great things about this product. We wish it could have a little bit more metal components to it for security. A stainless steel cable would be great, but overall we think it will do the job. Certainly the alarm was plenty loud. So although we have a couple of suggestions, we feel that it gives you additional security to give you a little bit more peace of mind when you're on the water or on vacation. Until next time, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the water.